Hello and welcome back. This is video number 9. Let's talk about ad sets. So earlier we talked about campaigns. Within campaigns we have ad sets, and within ad sets we have ads. So within ad sets you're able to tell Facebook who you want to target. So having that avatar profile on hand is crucial for this part. So with that said, let's dive in. Okay, so like I said, in ad set, you have the ability to change the ad set name. So within a campaign, you can have several different ad sets. And so for example, if you're doing scuba diving, you could do an ad set for just males or just females, or males of a specific age or females of a specific age, or specific interests. You could target specific jobs. So they could be different ad sets. And that's what it is. So what you would do here is you would click this here. You would choose the specific product that you're promoting in the pixel. Now, what Dynamic Creative is it says provide individual assets like images, headlines, and it'll automatically optimize. So in layman terms, what that means is, let's say, for example, that you upload in the ad 3 different images, 3 different texts, 3 different headlines, and 3 different call to actions. What Facebook is going to do is it's going to create all different variations of those combinations. It's going to run the ads, and it's going to figure out of those ads which text, which headline converts the best, which image converts the best, and it's going to run the traffic to that ad. So instead of you trying to figure that out, you allow Facebook's very smart algorithm to figure that out. So in order to do that, you would select Dynamic Creative and click Continue. Now, for the sake of simplicity, we're not going to do that right here, but that's there if you want to. Now, offer, it says drive more conversions by creating an offer people can save and get reminders about. So you can do that as well here. Next, we have audience. So like we said earlier, one cool thing is if you go to Audience Insights and you do the research, you can actually save that audience, and then you can select the audience here. All right, so use a saved audience. Now, we're going to do everyone in the United States from the ages, remember we saw 25 to about 54. Like so. Now, because we're in the United States, language we can leave blank. Now, detailed targeting. This would include the interest. So this could be scuba diving. Now, let me delete that. We selected the employer, so make sure that you choose the right one. So we can see interest. It has 28 million people. That's a good sign. And we're going to uncheck that. We're going to leave it at automatic placements, daily budget, conversions. So what this is going to do is it's going to optimize for conversions. Now, conversion window. What this means is you have 1-day click or 7-day click. Basically, in essence, usually you choose 1-day click if somebody clicks through to your ad and they make a purchase. If it takes them a long time or a long period to click through, then you want to do 7 days click. Now you can read more about this and how it works over here. So next thing we want to do is click Continue. And that's it. So now we have created our ad set. So as you can imagine, you can create multiple ad sets, as you saw, because it's 29 million for scuba diving. I can split that up and do one ad set for male, one ad set for females, one ad set maybe for Hawaii, one ad set maybe for Florida. So you can have several different ad sets and then figure out which one works the best. So now let's talk about the ad, which is the next video.